السلام علیکم سر. Sir, I have a question from chapter 6, verse 106.
This question is going to be about this verse of the Holy Quran, which is verse number 106 in chapter 6, Surah Al-An'am. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Wa kazalika nusarrifu al-ayati wa liyaqulu darasta wa linubayyinahu liqaumin ya'lamun. The translation given here is, and thus we do vary the signs that the truth may become established, but the result is that they say, thou hast learnt well, and we vary the signs that we may explain it to a people who have knowledge.
Can you explain to us the background of the expression وَلِيَقُولُوا دَرَسْتَ?
You see, وَلِيَقُولُوا دَرَسْتَ, one translation is quite all right, that you have learned well. But in Arabic, it also means you have taught well. Normally, darasta only means to learn. But in occasional cases, and I have got reference of the Imam Raghib with me, where darasta may also mean you have taught us well. So Ahmad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam learned well from Allah, of course, but how did the people know unless they were taught well? So both these meanings are applicable to Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam's learning the Quran from God and teaching the same to the people. Very good translation. MashaAllah. I don't mean that he may fall ill again, but you have done well, MashaAllah. Please.